Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Computer Tips and Programming. So in this video, let me tell you, this is the series video of the Java and files. So this is the fourth video of Java and files, where we are going to know if directory doesn't exist, then how we can create the directory. In last video you have seen if directory doesn't exist, so we will get the message that directory doesn't exist. Like, let me show you again by running the program. Okay, so if I will save this and I will run this one, okay, and run Java application, so it will show directory doesn't exist. So first of all, why we need this? Directory doesn't exist. Okay, so why we need to create a automatic directory? This is the question first of all. Okay, so let's think on a big level. Okay, high level, just think on high level. If you are doing for a small project like this one, okay, this is okay, you are doing for this one, you are just going here my files and you are going for this branch code and you are getting the files. Think you have multiple branch code. Okay, so for multiple branch code, multiple brand, you cannot go again and again and create a new files and new brand every time. Okay, you just pass through dynamically and it will automatically create a new brand and new branch code, everything. Okay, so you understand, I mean, see here, if I am creating one manually, I can create, just go new files, new, and just create a folder and blah. Okay, that's all. But think if you are creating 100 of branch code, so you cannot go in your directory, create 100 folders and separate folders and separate. It will be too much confusion also, that in which branch code what I have to mention and all. So everything you can pass dynamically. If you change the brand code here, string brand code, automatic a new brand code will created. Okay, so we will think on this level and we'll create our project. Okay, so let's start. And for this one, what we can do, let's see that. Okay, now I think you understand why we need to create automatic directory. Yeah, because for one thing, okay, but for multiple brand code, you need to create directory automatically. You cannot go manually one by one, like creating directory and changing the name here, and it will be too much long process. Okay, so let's start. So for this one, what we can do? Okay, I will write here if okay, just give these things, these are the common thing always required in if. Okay, I will write here like if directory doesn't exist. Okay, if dir is comes from here. Okay, dot exist. Okay, so if directory doesn't exist, so what we will do, we will create automatic directory. To create automatic directory, what we need to do, dir, okay, then dot mk directories. Okay, so I will select mk directories. Now it's done. Okay, getting error, so put semicolon here. Okay, now save it. So you see here we are using this sign and dot exist. This sign is basically to indicate that directory doesn't exist. Okay, and if directory doesn't exist, then what we need to create our directories. Okay, now save this one and run program. Okay, so you can see here we are using 12, that brand name is 12. Okay, and if you will go to your directory like this one, here this is my files. Inside my files there is no 12 name folder, only that 123 name folder. Okay, so now run your program and check. So run as Java application. Okay, and see file location, file created, and directory also, and you can see the file after my files there is a 12 name. Okay, 12 is your new directory. Okay, and here you can see file is also saved. Now check in your location. So I will open here and I will see here automatic a new directory created with 12 name. Okay, if I want to make some more things, like if I want to change this one also, here we are writing my files. If I will remove this s, and you can check, save this one and run your program, or you can see that new directory again created. So run Java files, you can see my file. If I will see here, okay, go little back and check my files, my file, it's created, automatic directory is creating. So no need to worry about how to create directory and all. You can directly create directory by implementing this code only. Okay, so I think you understand till now. We will meet again and we will see a new topic in this series itself. Okay, and we will see some new concept related to Java. And okay, see you again. Bye bye, tata, take care.